Red Renton, Philippines. My order is coming from to Lazada. Is here. Huh? It's open.
Wait. Move. Nasa mga battery tayo.
This cookie. Ta-da! It's mine.
Unboxing.
Ay, the cone sticker. Ayaw gisiya tayo.
So, Tatay is here to help Red assemble his new toy. Wait. Red.
Ay, sabihin mo.
Okay, Be, let me see the picture, Be. Oh, the picture, the box. Please pass me the box. Wow.
There's milk.
Because, Be, come here. Give me that one. Because Red did good in school. He is a reader already. He knows how to read. So, he get to have a... Oh. So, Tatay, do you think you can symbol this one? Because Red, while I'm scrolling my phone at YouTube, he saw a little boy playing this kind of toy, and then Red said, "Ma, I want." Huh?
There's a shrimp.
There's a shrimp.
Egg. What's up, amazing? Picture.
Puzzle, manibi puzzle.
Pwede na.
3D puzzle.
Asabo? Kani? 3D puzzle.
Christmas house.
Ay, kailangan
Look at Tatay. So this is other kind also. Because there's one like this that they can cook, real food. They can cook real food.
Tinood na pagkaon?
Yes, tinood na pagkaon.
Lunipad?
No.
Ay,
Lahi
pwede.
po ni siya. This is different toys, and that's a different toy also. Oh, so Red is assembling another toy. He has a freebie toys. It's a 3D puzzle Christmas house. So he'll try to figure out if he can assemble that one. And I am trying to assemble this one here also. Long one, yes. Where's the one? Ako pa simbolon ani ron. Nahan ka?
Hindi.
Give me that one, babe. Ay. Palihog ko ah.
Oh,
Blackboard ni siya nimo, menu board. Menu board. Yeah. Sa menu ni mo ron.
oh no. Yes! Oh, happy. Oh,
Ay, pangbitay na mo mga luwag dari. Oh, nabitay.
Kani?
Oh. Okay. Nabitay. Wow.
maoy.
Hello.
Hindi mo na init mo.
Ano,
And finish. Be. Smile, be. Okay na, yukok na daw, be. Ka-cute di ayan yun. I thought, guys, this is very big, but it's way too cute. It's okay for the price. See? It's very nice. Wow. Ano ba yukok, be? Yukok. Egg, be. Egg. Put the egg. Close. You close that one. Okay, yukok egg. Oh, bali. Yeah, you turn on. You're a chef. Okay, turn it off. Yeah, you transfer that into a plate. Ibalhin og kuan plato. Transfer into a plate. And also here, guys, this small faucet. It's sprayable, so you can also put something here or water. I've tried it that way. There's still a bit of water. See, you can spray water here, so it's really cute. Okay. Where's your plate? Wow, you like your new toy? Huh? You put tomato and where's the salt? Salt. What's inside there? Oh, you have eggs there. Hot dogs. You drink milk.
Coffee milk.
Pepper. Be. Say bye-bye na, be. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, ma.
Tanaw din say bye-bye, ma. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Thanks for channel. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.
Beans, be. Oy,
It's hot again.
it's hot again.